it here. Limited edition Pringles Turkey Roasted. I'm about ready to try one of these bad boys. I figured I'd make me a video on it. Yep, taste test. Taste test with Mr. Mach 1. Pringles Roasted Turkey. Yeah, buddy. So I got some here in my hand. Let me turn this on. All right. Well, they definitely don't look like no turkey, but they do look like a Pringle. Let's try one of these out. They got a good taste. Let's try another one of these out. I'd definitely buy these again. Yeah, I like them. They don't really taste like a roasted turkey, but they got a really good flavor though. I'd buy them. Anyhow, guys, that's the taste test with Mr. Mach 1. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your night, day, whatever time of day it is you watch this.